Hi, this is Andrew from Kite Army. I'm out here today with the E-flite UMX Habu. This is just like one of those little microplanes, but it's got a lot of features packed into it. Let me go over with you what those features are. All in all, a very simple plane. Let me show you some of the controls here. Here's the ailerons. Here's the rudder right there. And of course, you've got the elevator on the back there. Also, which I think is really cool for a plane of this size, they've got a steerable front wheel, so when you're taxiing, you can move it around. So that's it for now, guys. Pick yourself up one of these. I think they're about 140 bucks at Horizon Hobby. It's a really good deal. And you can have that jet experience without all the worry and expense of a jet. So it's a lot of fun. Go enjoy yourself. I'll see you in the spring.